Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of YouTube Shorts and definitely AI YouTube Shorts. If you want to know how to make engaging bite-sized video that can help you to grow your channel, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before jumping into the video, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification so you will never miss out our latest tips and tricks. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can create short video from your long video. Also, you can use other content creators video as well. So it would be a game changer for you as a content creator. Once you create your shorts video, also the chances is very high you can also upload in your as a Instagram reels and TikTok video. So it's a win-win situation. So you don't need to high skill to do this. It's a completely AI. So you have to do just copy and paste and just wait. Alright, so if you search on Google Vizard and you will see Vizard.ai. Create social ready videos with AI instantly. AI powered video generator and editor that turns a long video into 10 plus clips instantly. So here you go, YouTube Shorts Maker. Just click on that and you will see these pages, YouTube Shorts Maker. So what is YouTube Shorts Maker? So Vizards is a AI YouTube Shorts Maker, makes it easy to clip and fancy captions and publish YouTube Shorts. So if you don't have any account, just click on sign up for free and you will see sign up with Google. Also you can enter your email and password. Alright, so I have an account already, so click on sign in button and just click on sign in with Google. Alright guys, so this is the Vizard dashboard and you will see the few section over there. Upload from link, so we will be trying today this upload from local file, record videos, import from Zoom account. Alright, and this is a free account guys, so you don't have to spend any money. Here you can see the free plan. It's 120 minutes used, so every month you can use up to 120 minutes. So I have already used 9 minutes. Okay, so today we will be creating amazing YouTube shorts from YouTube videos. Okay, so let's go to YouTube and grab anyone. Okay, alright guys, so you can use your own video. Also you can copy the link from other YouTubers. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see 13 minutes ago Ali Abdul uploaded 7 truths I know at 30 but I wish I knew at 20. So click on that and we'll be copying this URL and let's try the make a shorts video. Alright, so let's grab the URL, copy the video URL and go back to Vizard and click on upload from URL and just paste it here. So also you can paste it Google Drive link, Vimeo, StreamYard. Okay, so generate clips by AI. Make sure this generate clips by AI. Alright, so also you can clipping manually, paste it here. Generate clips by AI. Here you can see it's already working. English. Alright, so clips preference, so click on that. Clip preference, that's mean here is some advanced settings that must need. Okay, so prefer length, that's mean it's auto. You can select auto less than 30 and 30 seconds to 60. So I'm going to select auto. Alright, and here you can see the ratio. Make sure this, okay, 9:16 ratio. And here you can see the symbol, that's mean you can upload on TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Reels video. Okay, also you can tick mark the auto emoji and let's change the style. Okay, so here you can see auto emojis, so make sure this enable. Highlight keywords enable and the templates, so templates, that's mean, so click on that default section and also you can use this kind of templates. Okay, alright, so I'm going to click on the second one. Okay, click on apply. Alright, so our clip preference setting is done, so you can add some keywords optional. Okay, so don't need it, just click on get AI clips. Alright guys, so it's uploading now, so we can safely leave this page, no problem. Okay, so it's uploading 43%, 54%, and then it will be creating our project and transcribe. And let's see, or any videos that you want to clip and make as a short, so you can just copy the URL, video URL and just paste it here. Alright guys, so our video is almost ready, not ready yet. Okay, so let's see, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8. Okay, so it's already generated the title over there and the last one 22 seconds and the first one is 17 seconds. Finally our video is ready and already you saw that we have already 10 videos over there and each and every part they have added some emojis and the background videos over there. We're not sure Alright, so before playing that, just make sure that ratio is 9:16.
Point learned fully that feeling good does in fact make you more productive, but also makes your entire life better.
Alright, so if you want to edit this video, so just click on edit. Alright, so if you want to change the layout section, you can change, like click on the layout section and which one do you want to prefer. That's mean if the video like a talk show and where 2-person or 3-person talking over there, so you can select this. Okay, and if you check this the left bar section, you will see the background, media, text and b-roll, so you can add over there. Okay, so though it says 17 seconds, so we don't need to update over there. Okay, so we don't need to modify this. So if you want to export this video, just click on export button, and the resolution most important. If you want to upload a 180 pixel, so you must have to purchase their premium section. Also you can use their 720 pixel resolution free. Okay, and definitely if you want to remove their watermark, so you can purchase their premium package, so we don't need it. Just click on export. Alright, so your video is queued for export, so click on view progress. Alright, so if you want to download another one, so go back to our main sheet and click on the 4 number. That's mean it's highest 41 seconds. Okay, I think this is the highest 41 seconds. Yes, right. So click on 41 seconds. Okay, so we'll download it later. So let's check our first one. So our video is ready. Here you can see, you can also share with your friends, like sharing the links. And here is a few settings over there, like if you want to click anyone with the link view, so anyone can view and only people invited can view. It's a really great thing. And also you can see the download section, and you will see the 4 options over there: subtitle, audio, videos. And let's click on video section, mp4, click on download. Okay, alright, so our video is already downloading over there. Okay, so let's download the another one. Here you can see 41 seconds, the highest one. So click on directly export and make sure the resolution and click on the export button. Alright, so our second video is progressing, so let's click on view, and our first video is already downloaded, so you must check your download folder. And this is the highest one, 41 seconds, and estimated processing time 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, alright guys, so our video is ready, so let's click on download. Okay, so this is our second video that I downloaded. Alright, so we have already 8 videos left. Okay, so this is really amazing guys. So if you want to really grow your YouTube channel fast, so you must need shorts video. So you have to have skills like video editing. Okay, and it takes time to learn editing. Also you need some good computer, good graphics, computer and graphics. Also if you want to hire someone as a short video editor, so it will be expensive. You can find on Upwork and Fiverr also short video editor. But if you use this kind of tools, so you will be your boss. Okay, so you can try this website and let us know the comment section how you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I will come back with another tutorials. So if you love this content, don't forget to subscribe. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye.